Compare strings, allowing one character difference. I have been trying to implement tabular method for simplification of Boolean expressions in Python. For that I need to check whether two given strings differ at only one index. For example, the function should return the following for the following examples. 0011 and 0111, true as the two differ only at position 1. 0-001 and 0 to 101, true as differ at only 2. 0-011 and 0 to 101, false as differ at 2, 3. Right now I am using the following function. I want to implement it in a very fast manner, low complexity. Is there a way to do so in Python?
Same lengths. If the two string have the same length, you can also create a generator of matchers like this. Example. Different lengths. If they have different length, we can assume that the exceeding characters are different, so
in Python 2, use future_bulletins.zip, Python 2 and 3 compatible zip, as iterator. In Python 3 the built-in will do fine, to combine the two strings character by character, then use any and all to loop over the resulting iterator. This works because combo is an iterator, it yields pairs of characters one by one on demand, and any and all only take as many pairs as needed to determine their outcome. Any stops iterating as soon as it finds two characters that are not equal. All will only return true if all the remaining characters are equal. Together the two conditions then are only true if there is exactly one pair that differs. Because an iterator approach is used, the above does the absolute minimum amount of work to determine if your strings are a match. The moment a second pair is found that doesn't match, iteration stops. There is no point in looking at the rest of the character combinations. Demo, Python 2, so zip, is imported.
This is a more well-performing solution, coded in Python 3. I do not check for length difference because you said the two strings are equal, but for a more general approach I would add it. If you need the position of the different character, these are benchmarks performed with Tomate, tested with match 0-001, 0 to 101. I translated all solutions to py3 and removed length test. Your solution, 5.12. Martijn Peters' solution, 4.92. Enrico.basis and Lakesh's solution, 5.51. My solution, 2.42. Tests with a longer string. Martijn Peters' solution. Result, 32.82. My solution. Result, 20.21.
Do you want to channel? Listen to the subscribing.